How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started with this video, like always, I want to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, how much I appreciate y'all. This is a great community, and love being a part of it. And if y'all ever want to join in, just use your phone, camera, GoPro, it don't matter. Get a model, make a video. Alright, with that being said, today's video, believe it or not, is not going to be Johan. It's going to be an AMT unboxing, a vintage AMT kit. You remember, probably about a couple months ago, I went and my very first video with my buddy George. I got some models from him, and well, I decided, well, it's time to do a vintage unboxing of one of those kits. I think y'all's gonna like this kit. Believe it or not, I'll do a Johan unboxing sometime soon. Believe me, I got hundreds of them, so I mean, no big deal. But this one here is a really special kit. This one here is the, right here, the Advanced Customizing Kit, 1963 hardtop, 3-in-1, stock, custom, advanced custom. This right here, guys, is an awesome kit. This is 1963 new Fastback Mercury Marauder. Look at there. $2 when new. This is an annual kit. This is not the 64 Marauder. This is the 63. Very, very rare kit. 1 year only. Never produced it again, guys. 1 year only. You can see here it's different characteristics than the 64. Totally different kit. This was the Mercury line. I guess, you know, the Ford had the 63 Galaxy, which it shares some similarities as far as roof line and stuff, but that's about it, you know. Here's the side of the box art. You can see all the goodies right there that this thing offers. It even comes with the putty and the sandpaper. Lots of good customizing stuff right here. This is the other side. You can see all the custom options this thing had. And here's the other side of the box. The bottom side of the box. Look at here. Little tape right here. That's the way the kits come back then. They didn't have cellophane or whatever you want to call on it. So that's going to be the unboxing right there, guys. So stick around and let's unbox this sucker. Alright, guys, let's get her open. Let's open this bad boy up. First of all, he's got it wrapped in tissue paper and stuff. Start out with these here decals. Nice original decals. Of course, you know, not really usable. I don't know, you might be able to. I really don't know, but let's see. D&W Plating, 235 Highland Street. Let's see, you got California Customs. Look at that license plate. Troy Shifters, New York. Very cool. Fireball. Alexander Brothers, they were famous customizing brother duo back in the day. Here's the back side of it. It shows the decal placement. 3-in-1. Very nice. Let's put those over there. Start out with the instructions or destructions, whatever you want to call them. 1963 Mercury Marauder. Advanced Custom, Stock, Custom. Let's see how this thing opens up. Step 1. You got engine assembly. That thing had a supercharger right here. Look at this. That is sweet. Here's your interior. Got a little alligator. What the hell you want an alligator for? A telephone. Let's see. You got your seat belts, seat trim, custom headrest, custom steering wheel, hydro shifter, floor shifter. Hey, refreshment bar. Very cool. Let's check this out. What we got going here? You got your tires. On the tires, you have to put the little white walls on the tires. That's pretty cool. You have your custom hubcaps with the spinner. You got your stock hubcaps, engine placement, battery. Then down here you got, oh, I don't know, a lot of these old kits, look, you have a little C-clip here. That's to hold your hood on, and your hood would open and close. Then it shows putting your interior tub and firewall and radiator. Right here shows your rear bumper, tail lights, your hood ornament, placing the body, chassis, and everything together. And then on this side, you got your customizing features right here. You got Alexander Brothers. Let's see. Boy, you got all kind of funky stuff that they did back in the 60s on here. I ain't even going to begin to tell you what half that stuff is. There's more stuff. Traction Master, traction bars. Rear end cover. You got a jack. Axle horse. What the hell's an axle horse? And then you got your brake drum. Very nice. Got all your, showing you how to do your Bondo and all your custom work. They had some wild customization back in the day. The kit also comes with a surfboard, a trophy, record player, club plaque, racing caps, and show stations, whatever. I can't read, I'm retarded. There you go. Let's put this up. Let's take a look in the box. Everything's gonna fall on me now. Let's see what we have here. Very well taken care of glass. 1963 Mercury. Let's put that back in its little protective cover. It's hard to believe sometimes that models can last this long without ever being built. I believe models are meant to be built, and guys, this will get built. Let's save the money shot for last. We'll save that body for last. Here is your interior shot. You can see the carpet texture, the door panels, there's your seat upholstery. I think it says Mercury right there. Get that thing to focus. You got your pedals, your console. Here is your chassis plate, or chassis, where you want to call it. One piece. Screws go in right here. Promo style, I guess you want to call it. Good detail. Got your holes for your ride height. Set that over to the side. Let's open this one up. Let's see what this is. This is one of the chrome trees. Here is your, that right there is the stand that you put the rope around that goes around the, like a show car you have when you're at a car show. All the chrome looks good on it for being from 1963, guys. I mean, shoot. I wasn't born till 71, so that's awesome right there. Let's set that over to the side. Getting all this stuff back in here is going to be fun. Oh, God, yes. Look at there. We got custom grills, custom hubcaps. Look at all that. There's your stock bumper, 1963. That's your rear for your tail lights and everything. This is your front bumper grill, 1963. Your stock hubcaps. Look at all that good stuff. There are so many options on this thing. Now, when I build it, it's going to be built stock. This kit deserves to be stock. As old as it is, it being an annual kit, I couldn't bring myself to do all this customizing to it. If I had a crappy kit that was a glue bomb builder, yeah, I could do some customizing stuff to it. Like I said, this is all your custom stuff right here. This is like front end parts or rear end parts. I really don't know where all that stuff goes. I think that looks like lake pipe type things. I don't know. Here's a bag he'd put the sandpaper in. That's original sandpaper. Look at that putty from 1963. Look at that body filler. Dang, and it's still kinda, it's soft. It's not hard. Look at that. Can you believe that after all that time? Let's throw that over to the side. Let's see what's in this box. Or this tissue. I keep saying box. Ooh, that's the hood. Look at there. Mercury. Boy, underneath the hood looks good. Look at that. It's got the batting or whatever from underneath the hood. Shoot. That's some dang good detail for 1963. Let's see. Oh, we got some. You got a custom seat. You got a stock seat, barely hanging on. Alright, we got more custom parts here. There's a front valance. There's seat belts. There's fender skirts. I don't even know what half this stuff is, but that's a horn, I can tell you that right there. There's a phone. Man, there's all kinds of neat stuff on here, guys. On your wheel backs. Set that over to the side. Right here we have your steering wheel. Nice engraving on the steering wheel. That's one of the custom seats. There's the other stock seat. Here we go. We have a custom front end piece. We got a trophy. We got a fan belt. We got your top part of your engine. There's one side piece of the engine transmission. There's a breather, fan, steering column, headers. There's a radiator. We got a bag full of the missing parts. Let's see what all's in here. There's your other engine transmission half. Look at the detail on that transmission there. What does that say? I gotta get to focus. Sorry guys. I can't even read what it says. Bear with me guys. I know a professional already had this stuff done, but I'm not professional. There is your beautiful dash. Surfboard. Never have enough surfboards. Another one of the fender skirts. Let's see. There is your firewall. Brake and master cylinder. There's a jack and some kind of hosing. I tell you what, guys, there's wheel backs. There's brake discs. There's all your little screws for it. Tail light lenses. So I ain't going to pull all those parts out, but you can see what's going on. Oil pan. Bunch of little miscellaneous stuff. Then you got your tires in a bag right here. Your 1963. This has been a well taken care of kit. It's not really been molested. Like I said, you got to put the white walls on this. Too bad I'm going to molest it. I'm going to molest all over it. This thing's getting molested. It's getting screwed up. What do we have here? This is... That's a vinyl. Look at there. Tells you where to put it on your seats and stuff. Look at that. Very cool. That's something you don't get in kits these days. There's a bunch of little miscellaneous parts down here too, and then the wheel backs this is your stripes that go on your wheels, your white wall tires. You got a bigger one, you got a smaller one. You got two options here for your white walls, and you just peel them off and you stick them on your tire. And believe it or not, guys, I've used these before, and they actually still work. Some of them don't, some of them do. And then you can see in the bottom of that box, you got your rods, your little metal clip, you got an alligator, and you got a battery. Alright, guys. That's it for this. Oh, no. Here we go. Look at there. Thought I was going to forget about that. I can't forget the money shot. It's got a little mark or something on it. There it goes. It come right off. Look at that Marauder. The little script on it even looks good. The chrome molding, the doors. Look, this right here, this kit has some good deep panel lines. It's not been look at that Mercury Marauder. It's not been reissued a million damn times. Matter of fact, it's never been reissued. This kit has never seen the light of day but one time in its life. Look at that. A lot of people say you're stupid for building that. Right now, this thing sets, you can get this kit right now on, let's see, it was Model Roundup. I think he wants $239 or $59, $69, I don't know. Get on there and look, guys. It's over $200 something he wants for this kit. Crazy money. This one, it's getting built. Models are meant to be built, guys. Meant to be built. Alright, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.